Hey guys, welcome to Englishkhona channel. Today I'm going to teach you how to order food at the restaurant. Before getting started our dialogue, let's have a look at some basic vocabulary. Fish, fish. Soup, soup. Fried potatoes, fried potatoes. Spaghetti, spaghetti. Hamburger, hamburger. Grilled salmon, grilled salmon. Mantu, mantu. Osh, osh. Omelette, omelette. Salad, salad. Cake, cake. Check, check. To keep, to keep. Let's start our dialogue. Hi, how are you doing this afternoon? Hi, how are you doing this afternoon? Fine, thanks. Can I see the menu? Fine, thanks. Can I see the menu? Certainly. Here you are. We have fish, fried potatoes, soup, omelette, mantu, osh, spaghetti, hamburger, grilled salmon. What would you like to order? What would you like to order? I'll have a fried chicken and a salad. I'll have a fried chicken and a salad. Would you like something for dessert? Would you like something for dessert? Yes, I'll have a cake please. Yes, I'll have a cake please. Would you like something else? Would you like something else? No, thanks, I am full. No, thanks, I am full. I would like the check please. I would like the check please. It'll be 39.60 somoni. It'll be 39.60 somoni. Here you are. Keep the change. Here you are. Keep the change. Thanks. Come again. Thanks. Come again. Goodbye. Goodbye. Dear friends, if you want to watch more videos, keep following our channel. See you next time.